PetSnowy litter pan is truly a game changer, and I was thrilled that they sent me this for review 3 weeks ago. Now I want to do a follow-up on how successful it has been for my 2 cats. Now this guy will use any litter pan, so he has been great with the PetSnowy and it has worked beautifully. Every time he goes, it quickly cleans up his mess and gets rid of all the smell. It's perfect. And he likes it too. He actually gets really curious about it. So sometimes he'll keep stepping in there, and the PetSnowy tracks those too as quick little visits. And I love that the PetSnowy tracks his weight, as he definitely needs to gain weight. However, my ragdoll here will not use it. I thought he had used it in the beginning and tried to go down to just it because wow, that would have been amazing, but he just won't use it. And it's probably because he's gigantic. He's like 16 pounds and he's never been the best with litter pans in general. So if your cat has any litter box behavior issues, this is probably not the best option for them. But if you have a very well-behaved cat, this is a game changer. Not only does it clean the litter box constantly so the cat is having a wonderful experience and you don't have to clean the litter pan yourself, but it's a very clean experience for you to just dump a trash bag every week or 2 and then put a new one in. And the fact that it removes all odor by quickly removing the used litter and with its fan and add-on scents if you want those is incredible. I work next to this and I can't smell it ever. It smells perfectly clean. It really just smells like the litter. Well, I wish both my cats would use this so I could just get rid of the rest of the litter boxes and just use this. I respect that both my cats don't, so I am currently using this and a manual litter box next to it so my cats have options. And so far that's been working out really well. It's not the ideal solution, so again, if your cat has litter issues, don't try to get fancy on them with an automatic litter box. But if you have that well-behaved cat, you're going to love the PetSnowy. It is an incredible automatic litter box that I highly recommend.